Not everyone gets the chance to make their mother feel special and gift her something. If you do, you are lucky. This Mother's Day, gift her something special she will cherish forever. With love from Rajans. On this Mother's Day, we at Rajans, we are giving 5% off on all our jewelry. We have natural designer gemstone jewelry, silver jewelry and gold jewelry available with lab certificate and premium box packaging. We also offer free shipping and cash on delivery across India, and worldwide shipping is also available. You can ask us for personalized or special message too, and also we have a gift for you. With all the products that you will be sending to your mother, we will put a one surprise gift for your mother from our side. This is a gift from Rajans to your mother, and it is a surprise gift. You can either DM us to buy or you can shop from our website. Link is given in bio, www.rajamshop.com. Thank you. I got so emotional reading this message. A few days ago, a customer texted us from the US. She recently got married and now she is finally coming back to India. शादी के बाद पहली बार अपनी मदर से मिलने. And she said something so simple yet so powerful. माँ के लिए कुछ खास ऐसा ले जाना है जो उनके पास हमेशा रहे. She chose a stunning 22 carat gold necklace with natural certified diamond polkas. Timeless, elegant, just like a mother's love. But then she added one more piece, a beautiful multicolor necklace, because one gift just didn't feel enough for mom. And then come the part that truly touched my heart. She said, "Can you please hold my order? I want to give this to her on Mother's Day." Imagine that moment. After months, maybe years, she'll meet her mother, hug her and say, "ये आपके लिए है." Sometimes it's not just jewelry, it's love, distance, memories, and gratitude, all wrapped in one. This Mother's Day, if you also want to gift your mom something she'll cherish forever, we are here to help you find that perfect piece. Free shipping, free personalized message, surprise gift with every Mother's Day order. Because माँ के लिए हमेशा best ही चाहिए. DM us to book something special for her. Thank you. Just have a look. Have a look at this beautiful 18 karat gold hallmark necklace with natural certified diamond polkas. This is a beautiful necklace choker in 18 karat hallmark gold, and look at the combination of green and pearl. This is a royal statement choker piece. If you want to buy this, you can directly DM us. We provide premium box packaging and lab certificate with this. Lab certificate says that these are natural diamond polkas with 18 karat hallmark gold. So what are you waiting for? Just DM us. And for more content like this, follow our gyms. Thank you. अब मैं रिवील करने जा रही हूँ बहुत ही एलिगेंट एंड डिजाइनर नेकलेस. Just have a look at this beautiful 22 carat gold necklace with natural certified diamond polkas. बहुत ही beautiful temple jewelry necklace है with red stones and diamond polkas all around it. ये गणेश जी का जो इसमें motive बन रहा है ये बहुत ही सुंदर है, green beading and pearl combination के साथ. I swear this is very gorgeous necklace. लिटरली आप ये पहनेंगे सब आपको ही देखेंगे उस फंक्शन में. इतना ब्यूटीफुल नेकलेस है ये डिजाइनर. इसके साथ आते हैं ये इयररिंग्स. And if you want to buy, you can directly DM us. We provide lab certificate with this. We say that this is hallmark jewelry with natural certified diamond polkas, and we have premium box packaging. We provide cash on delivery and free shipping across India. And just look at this necklace again. So DM us if you want to buy this. For more content like this, follow our gyms. Thank you.